Hey everyone, welcome back to cyberontech, where we turn boring desktops into something awesome. Today, I'll show you how to get an adorable anime assistant on your screen. She won't wash your dishes, but hey, at least she'll keep you entertained. So, grab some popcorn, smash that like button, and let's get started. First things first, open Google Chrome, or any browser of your choice. In the search bar, type stream, and hit enter like a pro hacker. Now click on the first link that appears, not the random ads. We don't need surprises. Once the stream website opens, you'll see a big shiny button that says Install Setup. You know the drill, click it. Once it's done, head over to your Downloads folder and install the software. Pro tip: if your computer starts acting like it's solving a NASA-level problem, don't panic. Just keep clicking Next until you see Finish. Congratulations, you're a tech genius. Now it's time to sign up. Click on Create Free Account and fill in the details. Email address. Type your email. Double-check it, because typos are evil. Confirm email. Enter it again. They don't trust us. Country. Choose where you live, unless you're from another planet, in which case take me with you. I am human. Click the checkbox. If you're an AI watching this, respect. Username, password. Pick something cool, but not password 123. Now check your email, click on the verification link, and boom, you're in. Once you verify your email, return to the login page, enter your username and password, and sign in. Your email will now receive a one-time password, OTP. Enter it, and congrats, you're officially a Stream VIP. Now in the search bar, type Desktop Mate, scroll down, and when you see it, click on it. Click Free because we love free stuff. Download the software and install it just like before. Next, finish, you got this. Now click Launch and drumroll please. Your anime girl assistant will appear on your desktop. She won't clean your room, but she'll stay there looking cute and making your setup more fun. And that's it. You now have your very own anime assistant. Move her around, let her chill on your screen, and enjoy your new desktop buddy. If you had fun watching this, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to cyberontech, and comment below what crazy tech trick you want next. See you in the next video. Stay awesome.